Hello and welcome back to Chris and Scott's Colorado Adventures.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, and we are out and about again.
We are.
We got some positive feedback from our geocaching video. People were glad to see that we were out and about again, so we decided we'd come out. It's a little busy today. So we thought we'd come out and head up north today. Where are we?
We are at the Wild Animal Sanctuary.
Yes.
Keensburg.
Yep, just kind of east of Hudson.
Yeah.
Way up north. And so we thought we'd come up and check out all the lions, tigers, bears, and all the wild animals
Yes.
that are here. We did come prepared. We've got masks.
Masks are required when you come here.
Yep. So
We thought it'd be a good time to come because it's weekday and
it's early in the day.
it's early in the day and it's a lot of walking.
We're early enough. There's not going to be a lot of crowds, so we thought we'd try to avoid that. They're open. Are they open every day?
I think so.
Yeah. So we'll take a little tour, see how it is.
And we'll let you know.
Yeah. And a little side note here, one of the attractions they've got going on here is a bunch of tigers from the Netflix Tiger King show. I have been moved here. And some bears too.
3 black bears as well. So that's good.
Yeah, so
Oh my. Look at that. Some doggies.
Oh, and now I've got the doggy going potty. Alright.
Okay. You're not supposed to bring your dogs. I'm not exactly sure
No.
what's going on there, but
Those are their dogs.
okay.
Alright. We started off great.
All right, we're gonna put our masks on. We're gonna go inside, and then we'll take you with us and we'll show you what there is here.
Awesome. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in that complex in there.
Really cool.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah.
They've got gift stores, and they got a little pizza place, and they got ice cream, and a big video to watch, and good place to cool off, I guess, during the summer, too. It's really hot outside.
Lots of doggies running around.
Yeah, doggies running around, so you go through there, check in, they give you all the information you need, and then you come up the stairs, and then you head out
Here's
this
the
way.
walkways.
You're gonna walk, the walkway is 1.5 miles one way, so 3 miles total. It's pretty interesting. Yeah, you're just walking on this walkway, checking out all the animals, kind of on your own self-walking tour.
Yep.
Alright, let's go see what we got, the cool animals.
Okay.
It's nice and cool today,
It
so
is.
hopefully a few of them will be out.
Okay, let's go.
Here we go.
Nice little fox down there. Is that an Arctic fox?
Maybe.
Let's see in our little. I would say he's an Arctic fox.
Oh, dear. Looks very clean.
Yeah. Look at he's got even his own little river there. Very nice. Wow.
The other one was out too, so it must have.
Here. There he is.
It's a big area for bears to play. Looks like everybody's still sleeping this morning.
Bears yet? Yeah. And then we come into this little birdhouse.
Little birdhouse that's
There's
also...
little birds in here. And little...
Looks like it's a...
I'm sure these are for the lions down here.
Yeah,
But
a couple balls to play with over there.
it feels like a birdhouse. I don't think it's a birdhouse, but...
It's a...
for the lions.
Indian lion house.
Yeah.
Is what this is.
Oh, there's one down here.
Oh,
Let's see what's on this side.
you see the other one?
Yeah, oh look.
Oh,
Here we go.
Ah, the
Look
breeze.
through the little window over there.
I can feel the breeze.
He's pretty.
He's just hanging.
She's pretty. Look at him.
Sleeping on the couch. Wow, look at that grizzly bear. Huge. Big yawn.
Look how cute he is. Who would have a hyena?
Hi there, Harley Quinn.
He's smiling.
Okay. I'm bored of you.
So funny how they walk all hunched over. They really do walk like that.
Yeah.
Buffalo out there. So this is interesting. These bears
But he's woken up.
are all out now. If you look around, there is a bear for each
Little den.
Like they have their own little spot. That's so funny. He's outside of his den. He's outside of his den. He's outside of his. If you go over here,
Like they're
you see they all have their own little home. Him. Just came out of his little den. He's rubbing his behind on the looks like he's dancing. Oh, the tiger's sitting out by the fence. And past them, there's grizzlies.
Big old grizzlies.
Looks like a white tiger.
There's even a bigger grizzly to the left.
Oh yeah, I see
You see
him.
him? It's not a rocket.
There's a couple.
Are there? Definitely needs to coming out. Bring binoculars.
Yeah.
We need to start bringing them.
See the white tiger in the corner?
There, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then way back behind there, there's some camels. There's one there. Look at this place they get to stay in. I mean,
Yeah.
it's like a little. It goes down the. To that one over there. So pretty. There's a little education center.
Yep.
I'm not going to go in there because it's small.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of people here today, but
Still.
it's kind of cool. You can go in there and there's a little education
down.
center. There's
And I'm
Yeah.
probably in the summer. It's a good place to come in.
yeah,
Cool.
little places to sit and watch little videos. They're all sleepy.
I like seeing them.
So they let all these tigers out individually as well?
Yes. They don't.
Because they don't play well together, they
Yeah.
said? These two look like they get along okay.
Yeah, those two guys. They don't care about. See, you forget that none of them have been in the wild together. They're all
Yeah, they're all
stretchies.
they're all
I don't want to say domesticated because that's not right, but they've all. None of them have been in the wild, so they don't
This is
really
so
care
sad.
about when they.
I don't know, that
Next to
doesn't
each
seem right, does it?
Nope.
Look at him over here. But they look healthy, that's for sure.
Yeah.
They said that their coats, like all, since they've been here, have been
Gotten back to be shiny.
shiny and thicker.
Yeah.
There is a rest area and snack bar straight ahead, and that's the end of the line,
We're good.
I believe, right?
It is, and then we just go back.
Way back there, there's more bears.
It's just huge.
It is, it's ginormous. It's awesome.
All right, so that's our trip out here to the Wild Animal Sanctuary, and I really enjoyed that.
I did too.
That was an eye-opener. I mean, this was pretty amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, you've got so many animals, and when we started off, I was like, oh, there's a coyote.
Yeah, but you keep going, there's so many animals.
Yeah.
And then there's people around that can answer questions for you. They'll be dressed up in orange.
Yeah, like a bright orange
Yeah.
for volunteers. But yeah, so many bears, so many tigers, lions, out just hanging out, and use signs, which we'll put in the video where it talks about how some examples of the rescues that they did with them, and my goodness,
Unbelievable.
so it's, you know, we're talking to the volunteer. None of the animals are born here. They're all rescue animals. I mean,
They're all neutered.
yeah, they're all neutered.
All the cats are neutered, so when they rescued them from, like,
Joe
Oklahoma or, yeah, wherever they did rescue them,
Yeah,
they had them neutered.
yeah,
I mean, he purely bred
yeah. He bred 'em.
most of those so that they could,
Yep.
I mean, he was having people come and swim with the babies, and he'd take those babies away from mom. I mean, you've
Right
probably
away.
all
You
seen
saw
it,
the
I'm
video.
sure. So, it's really sad.
Yep. But they pointed out to specific tigers that are actually from the Oklahoma Zoo, or Oklahoma
Mess.
Mess. Let's call it mess. I wouldn't call it a zoo or a sanctuary. I thought it was the sideshow. I thought it was interesting. She said the camels were actually rescued from Colorado.
Huh.
So yeah, somebody had them out there, and surprised they were trying to sell the babies. So they've got a ton of camels out here, come pigs and stuff. But yeah, I mean, and what's great too is you're not going to see all the animals. It's not like
it's so big you can't see. It goes so far back.
Yep, and that's kind of cool too. So it's
Yeah.
not just here, come and look at the animals. You can look at the animals, but there's a bunch that you'll never see because they're here just hanging.
Yeah.
So great place. It's a ways out here.
It is a ways.
You know, you got to go north. We're down south. It took us about an hour to get up here, but totally worth it. $30 a person for adults.
And then they do require a donation, so as little to as much as you want.
Yep. So you can do that as well. And a great day. We are here on a Wednesday morning, and not too busy. So
No.
it's perfect for social distancing.
It is.
I'm sure weekends are probably crazier, and the
Yeah.
walkways are big enough that you can get by people. But I'm sure as it gets warmer and busier, it's going to be
Yeah.
harder to do that. So
I would definitely do it on a weekday.
yeah, probably
And
if you
I'd
can.
probably do it soon.
Yeah, because it's going to get warm too. But
Yeah.
so,
It's a
but
perfect breezy day. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but
pretty great.
yeah.
All right. Well, thanks again for joining us as we get out and about. I was excited. We're
Yes,
out and about
this is
again.
the first time we've really gone out and done an excursion.
Yep.
We are still being as safe as we possibly can be.
Yep.
Staying home still. So,
Yep. We'll probably get into our dining adventures, which will be more of a takeout adventure.
Yeah.
So we'll probably get back into that, but we're gonna see if we can slowly get back out again and experience some
this
different
is a
stuff.
perfect thing to do if you need to get out and not pull your hair out, because
Yeah.
it's what you said, 3 miles
Yeah.
total walk on
Yeah.
these upper walkways. So
Pretty great.
yeah,
All right. You know what to do. Yes.
thumbs up button and subscribe. We like that.
Yes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We're getting a nice little uptick on people subscribing, so thank you very much for doing that.
Thank you.
We really appreciate that, but we want to keep going. So
Yeah, and if you guys have been here, put down in the comments if you've been here, and what's your favorite part about this place? Because it's
Absolutely.
pretty amazing.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well every Wednesday and Saturday.
All right, guys.
That's it.
Bye.